In this video, I'm going to teach you 3 of the best trading strategies that have yielded good results across all time frames, from 1 minute and 5 minutes to 1 day, and in all symbols from Forex and crypto to even the stock market. I will show you the specific settings for these strategies, and at the end of the video, I will tell you which one has the best results and the highest win rate. So stay with me until the end of the video. Let's start with the first strategy. As always, open TradingView website. If you haven't registered or don't have an account, I'll put the link in the description so you can use it. This strategy is not specific to any particular symbol and has shown good results on most symbols. So choose your symbol from the Forex, crypto or stock markets. After that, go to the time frame section and set your time frame to 5 minutes. This time frame is my suggestion, but you can choose any time frame you prefer. Now simply go to the indicators section and type the names of 2 indicators in this section. The first one is RMI Trend Sniper. Select it and add it to your chart. Now it's time to add the second indicator. Now you need to type EMA and select it to add it to your chart. Now that we have added both indicators, let's go through the settings for each one and quickly make adjustments so we can understand how to make the best use of this strategy. On the chart, you can see buy and sell signals, and with the EMA indicator, you can also identify trends. After seeing a buy signal, the first thing to do is to confirm that it's formed in an uptrend, meaning the buy signal is formed where the price is above the moving average. If you see these conditions, enter the trade. Now set your stop loss a little below the last swing low, and for your take profit, consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now wait for the trade to close with a profit. For a sell trade, do the opposite of a buy trade. I have taken various backtests of this strategy in different time frames, and the best result was for a 15-minute time frame on the gold chart, which gave me a win rate of 67%, which is a pretty good win rate for this strategy. But I wasn't satisfied with that, so I searched again and again until I found an even more awesome strategy. This strategy is both simple and fast. So without further ado, go to the indicators section and add 2 indicators to your chart. First type linear regression channel, then add it to your chart. Now type again pivot high low. Select this indicator and add it to your chart. Now enter the settings for each of these indicators one by one and make some changes to them so you can get the best use out of this strategy. Now it's time to know how to enter a trade. First of all, we need to look for a higher high. When you find it, draw a horizontal line on it and wait for a candle to break it upwards and cross it. When this happens, that candle becomes our entry signal for a buy trade. Now check that this signal has occurred in an uptrend. Once you have seen all the conditions together, enter the buy trade. Set your stop loss a little below the last swing low, and for the take profit, just consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now the only thing you have to do is wait to reach your desired take profit. For a sell trade, you have to do the opposite of this process. Just make sure you are looking for a lower low. This strategy is also very useful and practical, providing us with precise and reliable entry points. However, the downside is that the number of entry points is very few, though it gives us a good win rate. If you're one of those traders who are patient, this strategy is perfect for you. I'm very impatient myself. How about you? Be sure to tell me in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can be informed of new videos. Well, we have finally reached the last strategy of this video. This strategy can give you a very good profit, but it requires very high accuracy because a small mistake in its settings can move your entry point a lot and prevent you from reaching your desired results. So pay close attention. To start, go to the indicators section and add 2 specific indicators for this strategy to your chart. First type, MACD. Select it and add it to your chart. Now it's time to add the second indicator, so this time type linear regression channel. Add it to your chart. Now let's move on to the settings for each of these indicators. First, go into the settings of MACD. Change the fast length to 34 and the slow length to 144. Now in the Style tab, uncheck the MACD and Signal boxes. Now go into the settings of the Linear Regression Channel indicator. Change the Signal Smoothing to 5. Now you will see 2 types of candles, so just double-click on the chart and uncheck these boxes. Now you have a simple and clean chart. To enter a buy trade, first look at the MACD indicator. Consider the place where the columns change color from red to green as a buy signal. Now you need to wait for the red candles to also change color to green and move above the line. When these conditions are met, enter the buy trade. Set your stop loss just below the previous low of the market. For your take profit, just consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for your trade to close with a profit. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I'm going to introduce you to the best strategy among these 3 with the highest win rate. The best strategy is the second strategy, which is both highly accurate and easy. After about 100 trades and various backtests with this strategy, I achieved a win rate of 73%, which is a good number for me. More importantly, the number of consecutive losing trades was also very low, which is a great sign for this strategy. Well, now I would like you to try these 3 strategies and tell me in the comments which one has the highest win rate for you. Until another video and another amazing strategy, goodbye!